Good morning. I wanted to show you I'm growing in a container some Swiss chard to show you that it's completely possible. It's nearby other pots, and the big problem here are squirrels, and I've been asked many times how to get rid of them. Well, I've came to the conclusion that you cannot get rid of them, and we have a massive oak tree here, so it's impossible. It's their house. We are outdoors, so we have to learn and share the space with them. However, what I've learned works best is crushed peppers, crushed chilies, to keep them away from pots. They won't even touch them, and if they come nearby, they will steer away from them. You need to be careful when you're going to eat them, the Swiss chard, to wash them well. That if they get wet, if you water the pot or it rains, depending which area you are. Here in California, at this time of the year, it's not common to get some rainfall, so it is okay, but we do water the plants, so every time you do that, you need to pour a little bit more. Cayenne pepper is best, but I had this in my pantry and I thought I would use them. It is best to add them just in case. Another thing that works for squirrels is that if they have other source of food somewhere else, they might be more interested in that, and it is always good to steer attention from your pots and give them something else. Another thing you can do is buy a hoop to put on top of your beds or containers and cover them with a net. Insect net is what I found works best, rather than bird net is what I found works best. Yeah. You need to remember we are sharing an outdoor space and it's where they live, and we are kind of interfering with their habitat, so it's kind of trying to find a balance, try to live together in peace as much as possible. But give it a go. Cayenne pepper is best, powdered works, and also you can put them in sprays with garlic, but you need to keep in mind that if you are going to use a spray with pepper in it, with hot pepper in it, like chillies or cayenne pepper, and if it is a leaf crop, then you need to make sure you either like it or enjoy the hot spice, or you need to wash them very well. And also, if you're touching them, please keep in mind, then don't bring your hands to your eyes or your mouth, because it can be harsh. That's it for me for now. Please ask any questions if you have. You can join our Facebook group, Bay Area Kitchen Gardens Facebook group. Yeah. Our website is www.bayareakitchengardens.com. Feel free to contact us. Thank you.